I love being in nature for so many reasons. Oftentimes people ask me, what'd you do over the weekend? If I'm not playing golf, a lot of times I'm in nature. There are times where I just sit out by the water or in the wilderness and not have a lot of expectations of the experience. One of the reasons I love nature is it reminds me of how to just enjoy being in it. One of the reasons I love being in nature is it gives me a lot of insight to life. You look around and there are beautiful waves, big or small. There's a lot of things that are unexpected. It's always flowing. There's different birds, animals that come around. The weather changes. But something about it is predictable. Where everything is where it should be. Everything is perfect. Perfect in its natural state. It helps me stay grounded and not add too much to my life and not add too much when I teach. Another reason why I love being in nature is it gives me a lot of energy. I feel rejuvenated. The sounds, the smells, the breeze, it's cleansing. Freedom of space, the beauty all around, it just fills me up so that I can go back and have the energy to give to myself and to others. It helps me see things clearly so that I can give others clear advice. I would like everyone to try to figure out what seeing things clearly is. I get it from nature. It teaches me. I mean, I look out and the waves are there. It's not something that we can control, something that we can just enjoy. And it lets you just be. We are part of nature. And if we can be ourselves and be grounded, just like being out here, things are grounded. Life could be a lot more peaceful and more beautiful and ultimately more joyous. So next time, take time to enjoy nature. You don't have to just be in nature, just look around when you're outside. That's nature. Look up at the sky, look at the clouds, look at the trees, and really just take it in. You don't want to define it all the time. Like, what kind of tree is that? What kind of cloud is that? No, you just want to look at it and just observe how beautiful it is so that you can get more energy, get more grounded, and that you can see things more clearly. Take care.